Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Betty. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this beautiful makeup look that I have here. I'm really feeling this look. So this video was not easy for me to film because I've got my kids around me and I had to pause, attend to them, and come back to this video, so it wasn't easy filming this look, but at the long run I was able to get you something. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button if you haven't done so. Thank you so much. I'm not going to talk too much. Let's jump into today's tutorial. Hey guys, so my brows is already done. I have a brow tutorial coming up on my channel, so I just decided to skip the brows and then move on to the eye look. So let's get it started.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. She caught me on the counter, it wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa, cause I've been up all night, no sleep, cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. Who do you love? And are you sure? Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world. So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. Yeah. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet she smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride. Try to holler at me. Baby girl, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see it in my dreams. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no. Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart. Like controller, controller. Cause all we need is somebody to lead on. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. She caught me on the counter, it wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa, cause I've been up all night, no sleep, cause I feel like I'm always dreaming. Who do you love? And are you sure? Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world. So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. Yeah. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet she smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. No, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of our best friend's ride. Try to holler at me. Baby girl, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see it in my dreams. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love cheap grills. So rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no. Well, Monday, where the time cold, I wanna your life with me. Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price of pain. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. Oh yes, this video was not easy making it because guys, like, I was all over the place. I had to stop, pause, go attend to my kids and come back to this video. So I was like all over the place, but finally this is the outcome and I love it. So it's not easy making videos with my kids around me, but I still give it a try. You know, I'm still trying. So please show your appreciation by making sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turning on your notification button and liking this video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.
'Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.